today too. I hope you had a great night and today's looking good. If you didn't exactly have a good day or yesterday, I'd like to think that today is going to be a good one. So let's keep our head up and it's going to be great. Hopefully, this video would actually help in a long way to help you achieve that. So today we would be going to the second lesson. We started yesterday with an overview of how Canva works, and I like to think that it made sense. I've been getting a couple of reviews from friends who have said, that was cool, and that's good to know. So today we'll be looking at creating your first design, and I'm going to quickly walk you through how you can essentially make your own first design and get the kind of results that you want. So as always, we would get to opening Canva. So let's get that started. So on Canva, when you've opened Canva, like I explained yesterday, the first things you just need to do for you to create your design is to specify the templates that you want, all right, and then begin your work from there. And so one thing you would want to keep in mind though is your time to delivery, or the time it will take you to get a specific design done, would depend on the specific template you have chosen or what you're trying to achieve, right? So let me go with something very basic. So if you've noticed on my timeline, or actually going by this slide, actually you notice that this is a full image, and on WhatsApp status you notice that a couple of designs I've put up are kind of big. Okay, so Canva has WhatsApp stories or Instagram story type images or templates that you can choose. If you have been a bit attentive to my timeline, you probably might have noticed this particular one here at the middle. I've used this a few times to create design, so maybe I would use this today and then use a second one for a design, so that you would notice a couple of things that I did there and probably replicate. Then perhaps tomorrow, okay, actually tomorrow we'll be talking about customization, so we'll go into how you can customize. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to change this image, so I'm just going to tap on it. All right, so having tapped on it, I can select images from my gallery directly to replace, or I can get images online. So let me create from my gallery. I hope I have something I can use here first of all. So let's see. All right, so let me use this image over here. Okay, so this is from an event I attended recently. Okay, so let's use that one, and then I'm just going to tap out so that the image comes back up. Now I can select the text there, so the text can say always be happy. Make sense? Awesome. So I can use that, and then let's do a couple of things about the coloration. So these small circles that are colored, notice as I tap each of them, the color palette comes up at the bottom, allowing me to change the color. So I can actually literally change the color, or even make any selection of color ranges that I would like to adopt. So let's play around with these colors and change them appropriately. Okay, let's do that. So basically you can change as many colors as you can. Again, tomorrow's class would help us see the purpose or the idea of customization and all, so that you see how it works. What did I just do? All right, so I'm trying to make that guy just big. I'm not sure why. So let's just do that. Okay, all right, so what again, I can actually add text inside this image. Okay, so let's say we're going to pick the text. Let me use this guy here, this template style. Okay, and let's increase it from the edge. Okay, and then I'm just going to tap on it and move up so that I'll position him well. And I could say, so I just double tapped and say, hey you. So I'm just going to use you for the sale. You for the sale. Then where we have that other text underneath, I'll need to remove it. Now yeah, let me just click on delete element. All right, now I want to change this guy's text color to white. So notice as I tap the text, I'm going to tap this black color just close to the font type and the number. So if I tap on that, I can tap on white to change the color to white. Then the second guy, which is you, I'll repeat the process again and change to white. Okay, now I think I like the positioning there, or should I bring it down a bit? So let me tap and see. Okay, let's place it down a bit. It's blocking my fine eye, so let me take it back up. All right. Aha, I think that's cool. So I'm just going to download this. I'm going to show you the end result shortly, but basically this design is up, so I can use it and put on my Instagram stories, or I can put it on my on my WhatsApp stories. Okay, so let's do another one real quick. So I'm going to go back to my home page. So I'm just going to go to plus over there. So let's pick something else to do. I'm just trying to demonstrate how easy this thing is, so that you can basically just get stuff done on your own. So let's pick this guy right now. This one is a bit okay, it's not exactly complex. All right, so I'm just going to go with the image first. It doesn't matter where you choose to start from anyways. So I'm tapping on the image first, so I'm going to replace that with, let me see, I'm looking like a bat guy here. All right, so let's use that one. Okay, so I can use the filter options to play with the image so that the image comes up a bit brighter. So let me see. All right, let's do this, and then let me tap on advanced. I can increase the brightness, okay, and then maybe the contrast a bit more, so it makes the image a bit brighter. Then saturation can do a couple of things. Okay, I think that's okay with me. So I can tap on done over here. Then for text, I can just say playing with Canva, right? And then tap on done, and then I can just say today is bright and fair. How about that? All right, so let's do that. Then I can tap on the color behind to change to a soothing blue. I kind of always like blue, so I'll change into blue. I'll tap on done, and then this white, I think this color is okay. So voila, we're good, right? So just so we are in the spirit of hashtags, or yeah, hashtags, so I'm going to put this on Instagram. I'm going to pretend I will actually. So let's go hashtag Gilead Obona. Okay, let's extend that slightly like I demonstrated yesterday. So let's pick that hashtag Gilead Obona, place at the center. So notice that these red dots are allowing me to position my text at specific locations, right? So I can actually duplicate. So if you see these, you see this double box at the top here next to the waste bin. So the waste bin is a delete button, the double box is a duplicate button. So if I tap that, I make a copy of that text. Now I want to change that to my Instagram handle, so I'm going to use @ right, Gilead Obona. Make sense? Cool. So I can actually drop it down, and perhaps if I do wish, reduce the size slightly. Okay, so that's it. So I can tap on done and then download. So to download again, I'd need to tap on, you remember that download button on the top right? So the one on the extreme that is colored green is not it. The one just next to it is the download button. So I'm just going to tap on it to download, and just like that, I've made 2 designs. Check your time. If you have your stopwatch, how many minutes did that take? So basically, that's how you create as many designs as you like on Canva. So